So you're going to want to log into transferexpress.com, and once you get logged in, then you are going to want to go into the Design Center by clicking on Design Center, and you're going to exit out of here. You're going to start with a new design, and you can pick your sheet size here. And you can go in and just choose anything you want. So we can go ahead and pick somebody that's already laid out. So let's say we're going to do a t-shirt design for the football team. So we can go in here, we can search football and hit enter, and we'll pick this logo here. You just click on the words, come over here and change it. Central Crossing, click on this word for the Comets. If we want to change the color, we can make this, our colors are blue and gray. We'll make this royal blue. We can make the wording blue as well. We can delete that guy because we don't want him on there. So we'll just throw him in the trash. We can add some clip art. We can look for a comet. There's a nice comet we could throw in there. There's one with a mean face. We'll choose that guy. Maybe shrink him down a little bit. So it's really just a design tool. We're going to make him blue as well. And say our background color, we'd like to put this on, oops, let's say a charcoal t-shirt. And so that's what your shirt would look like. You can also scroll down on your page here and hit apparel share, and you can just pick a regular plain old t-shirt or sweatshirt. Let's say this sweatshirt here. We can also pick out the color, make it gray, and then right here in this watermark, Central Crossing High School DECA, so that's what's in our background. And then we can download this photo. We can move this around how we want it. If we want it down here, we want it up here, we want to make it a little smaller so it's not hitting the pocket there. And that way you can send that along with your quote out to your prospect and give them a quote. They'll know exactly what it's going to look like, and all is well. So I challenge you to play around with the tool here and figure out what works best for you. I want everybody to design a kind of t-shirt. I don't care what it is. If you play football, make a football shirt. If you are in cheerleading, do a cheerleading, tennis, band, any kind of club, key club, book club. Try to design a t-shirt and just play with it and see if you're comfortable. And then once you're done here, when you're ready to order, you just go over here to your print method, and you're going to hit screen print. Goof proof is a normal transfer type you're going to do. You'll select your fabric. The t-shirts we have in stock here are this 50-50 blend. And say we want to order one for everybody on the football team, so let's do 50 transfers. Varsity football. And then it tells you that it's going to be $2.03 per transfer. But if you change this to only 25, you'll see the cost up here goes up to $2.78 a piece. It's rather inexpensive because it's only one color. So basically that's how that works. You cannot order these though. You will need to, we'll need a signed quote back from whoever we're doing a quote for before we're allowed to order these. And I have a special purchase order number that will not let you order unless you put the purchase order number in. So anyhow, Go out there, design it, and then when you're done, I want you to hit down here in the corner, Save Job As, and I want you to put your name so that when I go in to look at the jobs, I can see what everybody saved. And that's it.